Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you how to use Zoho CRM for sales. Ladies and gentlemen, creating Zoho CRM as a sales platform is one of the best things you can use it for. So what you want to do is you want to start creating a funnel, whereas you can have leads added automatically. So on the left hand side over here, you're going to go and click on this little icon over here. That's modules, and you'll come down and you'll see sales. Now it might not be open. You can open it up and click on leads. Now this is your starting point. Okay, now when you're creating a lead, you want to make sure that you're not having to manually add them in each and every single time. Now this is how we do this. So if you want to create leads manually, you can say create lead, and here it'll take you about 2 to 3 minutes just to add in all of the information of the lead. So you can add an image, personal details such as the company name, first name, last name of the person you're dealing with, title, phone number, email, fax, website, lead source, industry, annual projected revenue, and the address of this lead. Okay, and that's fantastic. It'll take you 2 to 3 minutes and you can go ahead and add this in manually. However, what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a sales funnel or a leads funnel so that we can just extend this list by 100, by 200 every single day. And this is how we do it. Now you use the drop down menu, and here you can import leads manually. And this could be a CSV file or anything like that. However, if you are using a CSV file, you're also still having to add those leads individually. All right. What we want to do is we want to use Facebook Ads Sync or LinkedIn Ads Sync or TikTok Ads Sync. Now, if you are advertising, you've got a Facebook, LinkedIn or TikTok ads account, you're going to go ahead and you're going to sync it. Go ahead, click here. You will now go ahead. You'll see it'll ask you to get started. So you're going to click on get started. And here you are going to sync this to your Facebook ads account. Now, every time somebody makes an action on Facebook ads, let's say they click on the ad, that person will have a pop-up and you'll have to have the information captured. Okay, so this will be how you will set it up. So you can either set it up manually, so you can choose your own source and destination of your choice to push your leads, or you can have the Facebook, Instagram leads, ads, Facebook conversion via API, Facebook version leads, and then Facebook custom audience. Now these are all different setups. You'll have to go ahead and explore each one of them and see which one is going to be best for you. But essentially what's going to happen is some sort of interaction is going to come in through Facebook ads or TikTok ads or LinkedIn ads, and that information is going to be captured. And you will now find, if you go back over here, you go to leads, this list will continue to grow and grow and grow and grow every time somebody clicks on or interacts with one of your ads on any one of these channels over here. Now, what you want to do is then set up on the left hand side. You want to go and have a look for the gear icon where it says setup. You're going to click on this. You're going to come over now and we're going to look for automations on the right hand side. And here you can create workflow rules. So for example, let me give you a scenario. A lead is captured via the Facebook ads leads connection, that integration, and a lead gets added to your leads list. They get a welcome email or they get a welcome SMS. That SMS or that email contains valuable information which you will set up within your Zoho CRM account. And then they are now within a workflow. And you can continue to build workflows over here. You can just say workflow rules. You can continue to build workflows over here. And what will essentially happen is you will have to just set this up once. It'll be slightly time consuming to set it up correctly. And then every time a lead is captured, they get contacted, they get an email, and it gets assigned maybe to somebody within your company. And that's how you are going to set up Zoho CRM as a sales channel and grow your leads and grow your business.